Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we're talking about how you can make a DIY microphone desk stand. Building this microphone desk stand will allow you to get your microphone a lot closer to you when you're recording, which gives you better quality. Let's jump into how you can make it. To start out, you're going to need to find a lamp stand. There's many different types of it, but the main feature that you're going to need to look for is an articulating arm. This will allow you to move your microphone around more. Once you find your lamp stand, you're going to need to prepare it. What you do is, if there's cords running through it, you'll need to cut the cords and pull them out. You're also going to need to remove the light fixture from the lamp stand because all we're looking for is the lamp stand. An important note is that for your lamp stand, it's going to need to have a plastic piece attaching the arm to the lamp so that you can easily drill through it. Next up, you're going to need to drill the hole through the plastic piece so that you can attach your microphone. To find the right size that you're going to need to drill through, you're going to need to first find a screw that fits into your microphone so you can attach it, and then compare the sizes of the screw and drill bit. Once you've found the right size, you can gently drill through the plastic piece to get a hole big enough for your screw. Another thing that you'll need is a wing nut that will fit over the screw that you're using to attach your microphone to your stand. And this will provide tension over the whole thing so that your microphone doesn't flop around while it's on the stand. Once you've drilled the hole through the lamp stand and gotten the pieces of hardware that you're going to need, it's time to screw everything in. The first time screwing in the screw through the plastic of your lamp stand, it might be kind of hard, but over time it'll be easier to unscrew the screw from your microphone stand as the grooves will get cut in the plastic and it will fit better. To start out attaching your microphone to your lamp stand, you're going to want to screw your wing nut on your bolt upside down so that when you put it fully on, you can use the wing nut to tighten down on the microphone stand. Once you've done this, you can start screwing in the screw through the hole that you drilled in the plastic of the lamp stand. And once the screw is just peeking out of the top, you want to put your microphone mount right on top and continue screwing in. Once it doesn't go anymore, you're going to want to take the wing nut and screw up until everything's nice and tight. Then after that, you can just put your microphone in its holder, and there you go. You have a complete microphone stand that costs almost nothing to make and will allow you to get your microphone close to the subject or the person who's talking and gives you better audio quality. The last thing that you can do to get your microphone stand ready to use is to have a cable extender so that you can plug your microphone into wherever you're plugging it into. You can use zip ties or twisty ties and just tie down the cable down the length of the arm, leaving room for it to pivot, and this will give you a clean, elegant look. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.